Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to change the temperature unit on an LG air conditioner from Fahrenheit to Celsius and how to set the AC to heating mode. First, turn on the air conditioner using the remote control. Now look for the swing button. Under the swing button, you will see a small sign C to F. To change from Fahrenheit to Celsius, press and hold the swing button for about 3 to 5 seconds. The temperature unit will change from degrees Fahrenheit to degrees Celsius on the display. And now, as you can see, we have successfully changed the temperature from Fahrenheit to Celsius. The air conditioner is now set correctly and ready to use. Now to turn on heating mode, press the mode button until you see the sun icon or the word heat. Adjust the temperature to 24 to 28 degrees Celsius for comfortable heating. That's it. Your LG air conditioner is now set to Celsius in heating mode. Thanks for watching.